Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Envy 6020E. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. To replace the ink, you need to open up the printer, and once you open it up, you need to wait. The ink holder will just move from the corner and position itself where it's supposed to be, and it does this automatically. To replace the ink, just need to open up the holder, open up the cap, and remove the ink. This one is colored one, and this is the black. Okay, this printer is using ink 305 here in UK and Europe. It might be using different number in US or South America. If you want to put this ink back, I also want to mention you need to look on the sticker on the top. It will show you that the color goes to the left and black goes to the right. So to put the ink back, what you need to do is take this, okay, make sure you don't touch the chip, okay, then you go in, once it's in, pull down the cap back. Okay, now do the same thing to the black. Just need to go in. Okay, make sure it's properly in the setting. Close it, and once you're done, close back the printer. So this is exactly how to replace the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to replace the ink. Thank you.